Hi there, everybody. Bill Jr. here again today to talk to you a little bit about one of our really unique special guarantees that we offer to our homeowners, and that is the No Blame Game Guarantee. Now, you can't talk about the No Blame Game Guarantee without also talking about our Premium Craftsman Guarantee, and I'll explain why that is in a second. But where I want to start is the fear that most homeowners have, right? Because when most projects are done on a home, many contractors will give you, as the homeowner, a 10-year, 20-year, lifetime craftsmanship guarantee on their work, which really sounds great, right? Makes you feel warm and fuzzy inside. Except if there is an issue down the line and you call that contractor out, so often what they end up doing is hiding behind the fact that they're going to blame the issue on the manufacturer. They're going to say it's a manufacturer's issue and it is not their craftsmanship that caused the problem. Well, this causes a lot of homeowners concerns, and we aim to alleviate that. Again, we always talk about the peace of mind factor when you work with Kanga Roof, and that's why we're really proud to offer the No Blame Game Guarantee, which in essence is this. When we do work on your home, and there's always going to be an allotted time frame that guarantee is going to come with it, either a 1 year, a 10-year, or a 20-year time frame. If something goes wrong, it's really this simple. We're going to come out, we're going to assess what the problem is. And if it was our fault, great. We're going to fix it because you have the Premium Craftsman Guarantee, which is guaranteeing our work. The real key here, though, is if there was a problem and it was a manufacturer's issue, you know what? Our guys were awesome, as they normally are. They did a great job. They did absolutely nothing wrong. There was just a problem with the product. It broke down prematurely. There was a defect. Something happened. Well, the good news is you as the homeowner, when you have us, Kanga Roof, do the work for you, you're protected. We're going to still take care of that. We're going to fix it. And then we're going to deal directly with the manufacturer on your behalf. Again, it always comes back to doing things the right way and taking care of you, the homeowner, first and foremost. So I really encourage you. Reach out and get a hold of us. Our phone number is 586-566-0308. You can also visit the website, www.kanga-roof.com, and have one of our great technicians come out and assess what's going on and provide you solutions, whether that be on your roof, your windows, your doors, your gutters, your insulation, your doors. There's a lot of different components that we can help you with. And the great news, again, is always, no matter what we do, it's going to come with that same no blame game guarantee for a certain duration of time. And for us, that's just about taking care of you and doing things the right way. Hey, we're a family business. We take a lot of pride in what we do and the homes that we work with. So I encourage you, again, reach out, have us come out, see how we can help you. Hope you have a great day, and hop to it.